Good morning, dear students. Are you ready to explore three states of matter with me? I'm sure you all are familiar with these three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Whenever we look at something, our brain automatically knows whether that thing is solid, liquid, or a gas. In this video, we are going to compare these three states of matter based on these properties. They are shape and volume, compressibility, rigid or fluid, and the fourth one is, do they fill their container completely? Now, let's begin with solid. Do solids have definite shape and fixed volume? Yes, solids have definite shape. As you can see here, this is a diary. It is solid and it has a definite shape. So solids have definite shape. Now, solids occupies space. Solid, the stone, occupies a particular space. It means solids have fixed volume. Are solids compressible? Let's try it. I am pressing it very hardly, but it is difficult to compress. It means solids are incompressible. Do solids are rigid or fluid? Solids are rigid as they have definite shape. Fluid means which can flow. Solids are not fluid. Now, can solid fill its container completely? Let's try it. In this bowl, I am keeping this solid thing. Now, see, this container is not completely filled. It means solids cannot fill its container completely. As I told you, solids are incompressible. But there are some exceptional cases like this sponge. This is solid, but if I compress, it can compress easily. What's the reason? You are going to find out that answer now. Now, let's talk about liquids. Do liquids have fixed shape and volume? Let's observe it. As you can see here, this glass is filled with water and I have marked it with black marker to show you how much water is in this glass. Now let's transfer this water in this container. You can see here the water has taken shape of this container. Now let's transfer this water in this bottle. So it has again taken shape of this bottle. I am transferring again this water in this jar. So it shows that liquids do not have fixed shape. They take shape of its container. Now again I am transferring this water in this glass. You can see here the water level is as it is to this mark. It means liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Are liquids compressible? No, liquids are not compressible. As you can see in this bottle, water is up to this mark, and when I press this bottle, water level increases. But actually, I compress air and not water. To flow is the property of liquid. Now you can see here, liquids can flow. Do liquids fill their container completely? No. As you all have seen, the water in this bottle was up to this level, and when I have poured water in this glass, you can see the level of the water, and the remaining part of the glass is filled with air. Now I am going to pour this water in this jar. Here the quantity of the water is same, and the remaining part of this jar is filled with air. It means liquids do not fill their containers completely. Our next state of matter is gaseous state. Do gases have fixed shape and fixed volume? No. Gases neither have fixed shape nor fixed volume. They take shape of its container. Our next question is gas compressible? Let's try it with this balloon. When I squeeze this balloon, you can see I can squeeze this balloon easily. But actually I am compressing air which is present in this balloon. It means gases are compressible. Gases are stored under high pressure. For example, a cylinder which we use at our home.
Gases can be stored under high pressure in liquefied forms as in cylinder or diaphragms.
Are gases rigid or fluid? Gases are fluid. They flow like liquids. As you can see in this jar is empty, but it is filled with air. And when I open the lid of this jar, you can see here the air which was inside in this jar flows out. It means gases are fluid. Do gases fill their containers completely? Yes. When we use perfume, the smell of this perfume spreads through entire room. It means it fills the container completely. Dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Along with this video, I have attached some worksheets. You are going to write answers in your notebook. Thank you.